The Honor Magic 7 Pro measures 162.7 millimeters in height, making it slightly taller than the Oppo Find X8 Pro, which is 162.3 millimeters. This difference can impact how the devices feel in hand, with the Honor potentially offering a larger display surface area for users who prefer a bigger screen experience. When it comes to weight, the Honor Magic 7 Pro is 223 grams, whereas the Oppo Find X8 Pro weighs 215 grams. The difference of 8 grams might seem minimal, but it could affect comfort during prolonged usage, especially for those who prioritize lightweight devices. The display of the Honor Magic 7 Pro is 6.8 inches, slightly larger than the 6.78 inches of the Oppo Find X8 Pro. This marginal difference may enhance the visual experience on the Honor device, making it ideal for media consumption and gaming. The Honor Magic 7 Pro features a robust camera setup with a 50-megapixel wide lens, a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel ultrawide lens. In contrast, the Oppo Find X8 Pro also sports a 50-megapixel wide lens, but includes a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom and an additional 50-megapixel periscope telephoto with 6x optical zoom. The diverse lens options in both devices provide significant versatility for photography enthusiasts, but the Honor's higher megapixel count in its telephoto lens may capture finer details in distant shots. In terms of internal memory, both the Honor Magic 7 Pro and the Oppo Find X8 Pro offer similar configurations, ranging from 256 GB with 12 GB RAM to 1 TB with 16 GB RAM. This ensures ample storage and smooth multitasking capabilities on both devices, appealing to power users. The Honor Magic 7 Pro has a resolution of 1280 by 2800 pixels, while the Oppo Find X8 Pro offers a resolution of 1264 by 2780 pixels. The slight edge in resolution on the Honor device may contribute to sharper images and text, enhancing the overall viewing experience. The Honor Magic 7 Pro is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, while the Oppo Find X8 Pro utilizes a MediaTek Dimensity 9400. The Snapdragon's architecture is known for its efficiency and performance, which can offer a smoother experience in demanding applications and gaming. The Honor Magic 7 Pro houses a 5850 mAh battery compared to the 5910 mAh in the Oppo Find X8 Pro. The larger battery in the Oppo may provide slightly longer usage times, especially for heavy users who rely on their devices throughout the day. For selfies, the Honor Magic 7 Pro features a 50-megapixel lens, while the Oppo Find X8 Pro has a 32-megapixel lens. The higher resolution on the Honor device allows for incredibly detailed self-portraits, making it a strong choice for content creators and social media enthusiasts. The Honor Magic 7 Pro boasts a glass front made of Rhino glass and a glass back, while the Oppo Find X8 Pro features Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and an aluminum frame. The premium materials in the Oppo device may offer better durability and a more refined feel in hand. The camera features of the Honor Magic 7 Pro include laser AF, HDR, and a 100x digital zoom, enhancing its capability for capturing distant subjects and detailed shots. The Oppo Find X8 Pro, with Hasselblad color calibration and AI features, aims for superior color accuracy and intelligent scene recognition, making it a formidable contender in photography. The Honor Magic 7 Pro includes advanced features like a TOF 3D deep sensing camera for enhanced portrait shots, while the Oppo Find X8 Pro offers an AI assistant for professional-level selfies. Both devices provide a range of options for perfecting your self-portraits. Both devices run on Android 15, with the Honor using Magic OS 9 and the Oppo utilizing Color OS 15. The choice of OS can affect user experience, with each offering unique customization and features tailored to different preferences. The Honor Magic 7 Pro's Qualcomm chipset is designed for high performance, while the MediaTek chipset in the Oppo Find X8 Pro focuses on efficiency. This may influence battery management and overall performance in various tasks. Both devices feature LTPO technology for their displays, with the Honor Magic 7 Pro supporting 120Hz refresh rates and Dolby Vision, while the Oppo Find X8 Pro also supports HDR10+. This ensures smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals, making both devices excellent for multimedia consumption. The Honor Magic 7 Pro provides AI defocus eye protection, while the Oppo Find X8 Pro includes Rhineland 2V intelligent eye protection. These features aim to reduce eye strain during prolonged use, enhancing user comfort. The Honor Magic7 Pro comes with an Adreno 830 GPU, while the Oppo Find X8 Pro features an Immortalis G925 GPU. The Adreno GPU is known for its gaming performance, which might appeal to gamers looking for a device that can handle demanding titles. The video capabilities of the Honor Magic7 Pro allow for 4K recording at various frame rates, with gyro EIS for stabilization. The Oppo Find X8 Pro also supports 4K recording, but emphasizes Dolby Vision, which can enhance the quality of videos significantly, especially in challenging lighting conditions. The Honor Magic7 Pro includes an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, while the Oppo Find X8 Pro uses an optical sensor. The ultrasonic sensor is generally considered more secure, providing a slight advantage in terms of security features. The Honor Magic7 Pro offers unique features like Yo-Yo Intelligent and AI translation, while the Oppo Find X8 Pro focuses on AI-driven enhancements for gaming and voice calls. These additional features can cater to different user needs, making each device more appealing based on personal preferences. Both devices are priced similarly, ranging from $800 to $950 for the Honor Magic7 Pro and around $800 for the Oppo Find X8 Pro. This competitive pricing makes both options attractive for users looking for high-end features without breaking the bank.